Hey guys, I really like the Google Pixel new camera UI, except for one infuriating change. Google has been rolling out an update to the Pixel camera app with some noticeable changes. The change which we indirectly throw was a Pixel 8 exclusive. It's also available on the older device too. The Google camera app has been the part of the exclusive feature list. Now the app separates photos and video into two main sections which are easier to understand. This is especially benefit for video where you use multiple modes like slow motion, time lapse and cinematic blur are not longer to depend next to each other. On the other hand, the photography is also measured the long exposure and the action pen now separate. So now it's very easy to use your camera UI. So that is all about the Google Pixel new camera UI. If you found this video informative, don't forget the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.